Well, so when we speak of elections, there is a certain bipole battleground that's also heating up. This is the race for Jubilee Hills in Telangana. Now, what exactly is happening there? Let's take you through that. This is breaking news coming in. Union Minister Bandi Sanjay hits out at Congress as well as the BRS. Bandi Sanjay has come out to say, and I quote, Congress, BRS are appeasing Muslims. Hindus must vote for the BJP in Jubilee Hills. Only the BJP safeguards Hindu Dharma. Congress and BRS are appeasing Muslims. Hindus must be voting for the BJP. This is what has been said by the Union Minister Bandi Sanjay on Saturday itself, accusing the ruling Congress in the state as well as the BRS of indulging in Muslim appeasement in the state, especially for the Jubilee Hills bypolls. And they have urged, and he has in fact specifically urged Hindus to come out and vote for the BJP, saying it is the only party that safeguards the Hindu Dharma. As the Jubilee Hill bypoll draws near, the battle for Hyderabad's heart has turned charged and confrontational. What began as a political rivalry initially has spiraled into a full-blown slugfest over faith and symbolism, with Union Minister Bandi Sanjay and the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy trading sharp barbs and religion now becoming the latest political flashpoints. From charges of appeasement to counterclaims of polarization, this is the fight that's redefining Telangana's political pitch ahead of polling day.
The Jubilee Hills bypoll is days away, and the campaign has flipped into confrontation mode. Union Minister Bandi Sanjay lit the spark. He accused Chief Minister Revanth Reddy of religious posturing for votes. At Borabanda, he mocked the Chief Minister's skull cap moment.
కాంగ్రెస్ పార్టీ అభ్యర్థి టోపీ పెట్టుకున్నాడు, ముఖ్యమంత్రి టోపీ పెట్టుకున్నాడు, అటు పక్కన అజరుతున్నాడు, అడిగి నవ్వుతాడు. ఏంటంటే వీళ్ళు పగటి పిచ్చగాలి, వీళ్ళు పగటి వేషాలు కొత్త పిచ్చగాలి, వీళ్ళు వీళ్ళే మనుషులు రా భయ్. నేనే టోపీ పెట్టుకోలే, టోపీ పెట్టుకోవాల్సి పెట్టుకోలే, ఎవరు పెట్టుకుంటారు పెట్టుకున్నా టోపీ.
And he did not stop there. In a social media post, he dared Revanth to make Owaisi perform Aarti or get Azharuddin to chant Vakratunda Mahakaya. Revanth hit back, accusing the BJP of twisting symbolism into polarization ahead of polling day.
हमारे लिए हिंदू, मुस्लिम, क्रिश्चियन, सिख कोई भी हो हमारे लिए बराबर है. मंदिर में जाके नमाज नहीं पढ़ते, मस्जिद में जाके मंत्र नहीं पढ़ते. जहां पर गए वहां पर लोग जो पूछे उसको हम जवाब देंगे, उन लोगों को हम एड्रेस करते.
Azharuddin lashed out at Bandi Sanjay, saying disturbing secularism is his only job.
बंडी संजय तो यही बोलते रहते हैं, उनका काम ही यही है, हिंदू मुस्लिम के ही बारे में बात करते हैं. क्योंकि हैदराबाद की जो तहजीब है वो गंगा जमुना तहजीब है. आप कभी अगर आप इतिहास से अभी उठा के अगर आप देखेंगे, तो अगर निजाम के ज़माने से भी देखेंगे तो महाराजा कृष्ण प्रसाद प्राइम मिनिस्टर थे निजाम के टाइम पे.
This war of words follows Telangana Chief Minister's remark just days ago, where he said that if Congress exists, Muslims exist.
कांग्रेस है तो मुसलमान है, कांग्रेस है तो आपकी इज्जत है. जब कांग्रेस नहीं है, अब कुछ नहीं है.
Hyderabad is staring at another culture clash as Jubilee Hills votes on November 11th. The real test is this: will the bypoll hinge on governance or on a fast-rising religious showdown playing out on the streets? Bureau Report, India Today.